Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE haga sautrip Jumbang kalapan menaik result jangka higher secondary school living certificate meka class 12 but kani kalapan i yaga jingkio haga pule putih haga jela haga baka jingdan bapas barok kala kio shaka prapupra point hnreu lai nak shispa ladai nujor baka senam balalek haga baki kentai kila kam yo kambon bapas gabayo kandai puar point hnreu lai nak shispa haga baka jindrang pat kidan kandai po point not lai nak shispa Di Samla ke Belawan Cekmat ki kentup iaga Megha Shri Roy na St. Mary's High Secondary School, Shillong, kebabat kekeran menekong haka arts. Di Shroy Marak na Don Bosco College High Secondary Section Tura ublayo kekeran menekong haka science stream, bat ke Priya Ghosh na St. Edmunds School Shillong kebalayo ko dengan menekong haka commerce stream. Dalor kini ki Samla ke beliau kerdan baar, u Josiah Daman lalu bat u Amos Chin Min Lun na St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Lapan sya bagajeng Trishtom bagajeng Pule kebetikina ke lam yaki sya kajeng job. Distrik Belawan Cakamat mentakas nem gidai ke East Khasi Hills but Eastern West Khasi Hills belapoi kendai pun rio point Arnold nakasispa. Kebab penyi kajeng Trishtom ki Samla Pule bat kino hikai. Kebab kampen shingan kelong bagi Samla Pule na kerensan Shadil Tribe kila liap ha. Haga bapalat kat kendai Hajar ngot kila pas kini ke eksamen. Baru gini ginong job kila penpau baganong rem ke bascam na duk kelas 11 kejeng idan lang bagi kenhuan ki babha bagajeng pedan kam yaki kor ki bor ke rukom Pule. Kadai ke balawan ra ki ya kejeng job.
Sir, I'm really happy and excited right now. It's a moment of great pride and joy for me, my family, and my entire school. And sir, my feelings right now, it's something I believe that I can't explain at this moment because I'm too filled with joy and happiness as of now. First and foremost, God Almighty. So I live by the principle that the chief end of man is to live for the glory of God. I believe that God had blessed me with these intellectual abilities, and so my main aim was to work as hard as possible so that I can glorify His name through the talents He has blessed me. And also, sir, my parents, of course, because of the sacrifice, the countless sacrifices that He had done for me, and I'm very happy that I have wonderful parents like them. And then my teachers, because they were willing to help me at any time. Whenever I went to them, they would always help me, guide me on how I should prepare, and that's why I'm really grateful to them as well. Also, sir, I have to thank my friends, my classmates, because I believe that the group that you hang out with, the people that you spend most of your time with, they also influence you a lot. And so the friends that I had, the classmates that I had, were the best of the best, and because of them, I got to grow in many ways, and that's why I'm here today. Sir, I started preparation very early. I started from day one. I started studying. I used to study every day. I studied consistently. I put in the hours, and then by mid-December, by the time school got over, I was already done with my syllabus. And so after that, it was just revision. And as exams came closer, it drew nearer, I started putting in more and more hours, like 10, 11 hours. And yeah, that's what I did, study every day with consistency. Yes, I was kind of dependent on them. I used various devices. I used my phone, internet to research on various stuff, use ChatGPT a lot as well. I knew myself very well. I knew I would be able to exert that self-control. That's why I used technology to the best of my advantage. But for those who cannot control themselves, it's better that they don't.
I'm very shocked as well as happy because I never expected myself to get first position, but I'm happy. Preparation was you don't need an external source or other books. It's just you need to study the books which you are provided by the school very well. That's all you need to study. I think I prepared quite well, so it was pretty easy for me. Though some of the questions were difficult in some subjects, but overall it was easy exam. If you studied well, you can score.
Well, I'm planning to major in English literature, and I plan to become a professor. That's my main plan as of right now. I think the biggest misconception that people have is that you have to study for hours at a time. And although that may be true in some cases, I feel like that's not true for everyone. So for me personally, I studied whenever I felt like it, and I also took breaks whenever I felt I needed it. I think everyone just needs to find their own study pattern. The main thing is that people often look at toppers as the ideal students and they have to follow their routines. But not everyone can commit to the same routine that other people have. So the main thing I want to advise other students is have a study routine that works for you. And as soon as you find that study routine, commit to it. That's the only thing that I want to say.
Achieved by our students this year. The success is the fruit of consistent hard work, discipline, and the strong commitment of our teachers and the students. While we take pride in the outstanding positions secured, we celebrate not only ranks but the success of every individual according to their own caliber and potential. Each student's journey is unique, and every sincere effort deserves recognition. These results truly reflect our vision of nurturing not just achievers but confident and value oriented individuals. We thank God for His abundant blessings and extend our heartfelt congratulations to all our students who have made us proud. To our present students, I would like to say, let these achievements inspire you. Success is not merely about reaching the top, but about striving to become the best of yourself.